If couch grass and Kikuyu have taken over your buffalo lawn, you're not alone. These grasses spread aggressively underground and above ground, stealing sunlight, water, and nutrients from your buffalo lawn. The best defense? Early action and smart care. Spot any small patches early and remove them by hand, roots included. For larger infestations, use a non-selective herbicide such as glyphosate, which is also known as Roundup. This can be applied with a weed wand or a small brush directly onto the problem area. However, you will need to be cautious not to apply any to the buffalo lawn, as that will die as well. Keep your buffalo lawn strong by mowing at the right height, which is about 30 to 50 millimeters. Watering deeply, but less often, and fertilizing regularly. A healthy lawn is less vulnerable to invaders. If you prefer natural methods, solarization is a great option. Cover patches with clear plastic in the sun to burn out the weeds. Remember, a strong, well-maintained Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo lawn is like a fortress. With consistent care and early intervention, you can keep those invasive grasses at bay and enjoy a lush, even lawn all year round.